In this video, we will explore the Circular module in Schoolknot. The Circular module helps schools effortlessly share important announcements and notices directly with parents. To create a new circular, navigate to the Communications tab from your dashboard. Under Communications, select Circulars. Once inside the module, you will see options to upload either an image or a PDF. Let's look at how to upload an image. First, click on Upload Images. Next, enter the title of your circular here. And then choose the file you want to upload from your device. Now, select your target audience. You can choose to send the circular to a specific class or share it with all classes simultaneously. Once you have made your selection, simply click Submit. The circular will instantly update in the Schoolknot app. Any circular shared from the school office will immediately be visible to parents. In the Parent app, they can simply tap on the Circulars module to view the notice and click it to see the full image. We hope you find this module easy to use. Thank you for watching.